Are you one of those people who have lost their passphrase? Are you one of those people who are actually looking to get back into mining the Pi network? Are you one of those people who, for some reason, don't know where to start or where to begin? Well, this video is for you. The most important thing you need to know is your passphrase is your ticket to actually securing your Pi. There is no point if you keep mining and then at the end of the day, you can't actually secure your mined Pi. So in this video, I'm going to show you the important steps to take to actually secure your mined Pi. If you're wondering how to recover your passphrase, well, you're in luck. Well, if you have lost your passphrase or you can't remember your passphrase, well, guess what? You can't even log into your wallet. Well, the passphrase is as important as the wallet. There is no point having a wallet containing mined Pi and you have lost your passphrase. So in this video, we're going to go through how you can actually recover your wallet, what to do and what not to do. Pay attention through this video so that you can actually understand what your wallet is, what to do to secure your wallet, and how to actually remember your passphrase. If you're just joining me, this is Basic Knowledge, where I provide you with simple and basic knowledge to everything, especially the crypto world. Everybody is excited. Everybody is looking forward to the day the Pi network will actually eventually get into the Pi mainnet. It wouldn't make sense if at this stage, at this point, the Pi network eventually migrates into the Pi mainnet and you have your wallet locked up simply because you forgot the passphrase. Now, a lot of questions have been coming to me. A lot of people have been leaving comments below asking me how they can recover their wallet because they've lost their passphrase. If you fall in this category, then pay attention. If you have questions regarding this or you don't understand my explanation through this video, I will implore you and ask that you leave a comment in the comment section. I would answer your questions as soon as this video is over. Now let's get into details. Your passphrase is actually your key to your wallet. Your wallet contains the mined Pi. Now this is how it is. This is how it works. You download the Pi mining app and you start mining Pi. You are required to equally download the Pi wallet. Once you create your wallet, you will have passphrase, thereby securing that wallet. You have to understand that the Pi wallet is a non-custodian wallet. What does this mean? A custodian wallet means that a third party handles the security of that wallet. If the Pi wallet is a custodian wallet, it means that you can request to recover your passphrase. This simply means that the Pi network core team is actually having access to your passphrase. But unfortunately, the Pi network wallet is a non-custodian wallet. So what does this mean? You are the one that is actually responsible for your own wallet. So be careful. Now this is what you do. When you create your Pi wallet, you're asked to create a passphrase. When you create a passphrase, the simple thing is for you to secure that passphrase, bearing in mind that it's a non-custodian wallet. You get it? Now, when you create that passphrase, you're supposed to manually secure it. And how do you do that? One, you either write it somewhere or save somewhere where you alone can have access to it. The second way that you can secure your passphrase is most mobile phones these days have biometrics. What do I mean? Either fingerprints or the face IDs in the case of iPhones. So if you have any of these functions in your mobile phone, it's expected that you activate either the face ID or you activate the thumbprint. Now, this will help you log into your wallet seamlessly, but it does not give you access to your passphrase. If you want to have access to your passphrase, just in case you have forgotten it, once you log into your wallet using the biometrics, either the fingerprint or the face ID, you could actually go through the settings to find where you can display your passphrase. And once it's displayed, you can now copy it and have it saved. Now let's talk about in the case where you have actually lost your passphrase and there is no way you can recover it. This is the simple technique you can use. Before I continue, I would like to state that If by any chance you have migrated your MindPy into your wallet and at the same time have connected your wallet to the main net, please do not do this. If you carry out the sequence I'm about to show you or tell you, you will lose every Pi you have migrated into your wallet. So this is a disclaimer. I'm not asking you to do it. Only do it if you have not migrated your MindPy to your wallet. The first thing you need to do is you need to disconnect your wallet from the mainnet. Very simple way to do that is to go straight to your Pi wallet, click below where it says you can recreate your wallet. So once you take the option to recreate a new wallet, what the system does is it simply deletes the old wallet, creates a new wallet for you, and then you have a new passphrase. Remember that when you create a new wallet, you will lose the old wallet, including the MindPy associated with that wallet. So once you have done that, you now have to go back to your checklist to connect the new wallet to the mainnet. Failure to connect the new wallet to the mainnet simply means that you are asking the system to keep recognizing the old wallet as your main wallet. Once you have connected the new wallet to the mainnet, all you need to do once again is log into it. Like I said, activate the ID and also try to activate the fingerprint if any of these options is available to you. Once you have activated that, the next thing you need to do is simply go to your wallet. Testnet, mainnet are the options you will find. Select mainnet. Then go straight down. You would see that the MindPy is now migrated into your wallet. Remember that the migrated MindPy into your wallet is all equally still useless until you move it to available balance. How do you move it to available balance? You would see the option migrate. When you click on that, you see the option that says move. Simply click on the button move and everything will move to your available balance. Any MindPy that is in the wallet but not in available balance cannot be used for transaction, transfer, or otherwise during the official launch of the Pi Network mainnet. So make sure to move your MindPy from your wallet to have available balance. Now, if you found this video interesting and educative, hit the like button, click on the subscribe button to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to smash the like button. It doesn't cost anything. Until my next video, keep mining.